Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Funfetti cake slices. So let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your butter, which should be softer than mine, adding in the granulated sugar and mixing together until lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful not to scramble or curdle the mix, as you don't really want to do that, but if you do, don't worry, we will be able to fix it a little later on. So add in your eggs and mix until fully incorporated, and don't forget to add in your vanilla extract as well. I did this, but I did it a bit later. I normally do. You can add it in with the eggs or add it later, it doesn't make too much of a difference. Then grab the bowl and give it all a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then go ahead and add in the remainder of the ingredients, which is the flour, the raisin agent and the sprinkles. And you want to use baked stable sprinkles so they still show in the sponges, some will disappear. Then fold this in by hand as we've mixed it a lot already. Just mix it until you don't see a trace of a single ingredient, then stop. You do not want to over mix the mixture, as otherwise the cake batter will be tough and take on a tough texture once baked. So grab yourself a 9-inch square cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper, and put all of your cake batter in, then spread it out as best as you possibly can, and then once you've got it spread and level, you can place it into the oven and bake it off. All that information will be in my blog post. While the cake is baking, make the buttercream. So into a saucepan, place in your sugar and water and mix together until combined, then place on the hob and allow to reach 121 degrees Celsius. Into a mixing bowl, place in your egg yolks and whole egg and whisk these until they are, they've 3-4 times the amount of volume. So it'll take a short while, but you'll want to use the whisk and just whisk until it's much paler in colour and it's a lot fluffier in consistency, as you can tell. This is what you're looking for. Then you can go ahead and gently and carefully pour in the 121 degrees Celsius sugar mixture. Don't get this on your skin or have the whisk on too high, as this will burn and blister. Been there and done that, so try your best not to do that. Then continuously mix until it's cool to touch. Once you can touch the bottom of the bowl, you can start adding in your chunks of butter and add it in until it's all fully incorporated. Mine was a little soft on this occasion, but put it into the fridge and allow it to chill up. That'll be perfectly fine. Even after the butter has been added, add your vanilla, then whisk until it's much lighter like this. It will lighten up, trust me. Then when you're ready, you can decorate the cake however you like, but I definitely just put it on, spread and leveled it out, and then just did a little zigzaggy pattern on there, and then just finish with some sprinkles and then cut it up into pieces. But that's completely up to you how you want to do this, and you can do it. I'd like to see your interpretation of it. So here is what the cake looks like once it's been baked, decorated and it's finished. As you can tell, you've got the sprinkles in between and on top. It's a really great cake and perfect for birthdays. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links into this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.